Society for Threatened Peoples.
Thank you, Mr. President. According to the report of the Special Rapporteur on the situation of human rights defenders of Margaret Sekagi, 36 communications were sent to China regarding alleged arrests and 17 regarding other forms of criminalization. Those at risk include, among others, women defenders working on the rights of religious and national minorities. The report expresses also its concern on the frequency with which such defenders were sentenced to prison terms. The Society for Threatened Peoples would like to highlight that in China, not only women human rights defenders suffer arbitrary detentions, but also human rights defenders and activists from ethnic minorities such as the Uyghurs. The report also denounces 22 cases in China where detained and imprisoned defenders were allegedly tortured and otherwise ill-treated and mistreated. Also on this point, the Society for Threatened Peoples would like to highlight that also Uyghur political prisoners, such as Alim Abdurrahim, the son of well-known Uyghur human rights activist Rabia Kader, are tortured in Chinese prisons. Other violations reported in China are, for example, the denial of adequate medical care in detention. Again, recent reports noted that the ethnic Uyghur, Mehmet Ali Rossi, who fled after the tragic July 2009 events from Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region to Laos, and who was extradited from the Laotian authorities to China in March 2010, and who is currently held in Chinese prisons, is denied medical care and detention, while urgent medical treatment is needed in order to save his life. Mr. President, in addition, we support the recommendations in the report of the Independent Expert on Minority Rights that states should ensure participation by minorities in all economic life. Society for Threatened Peoples urged the Chinese authorities to stop the systematic, ongoing discrimination of Uyghurs. Existing economic disparities between Uyghurs and Han Chinese are not only violating the Uyghurs' right to development, but are also increasing social tensions. China's economic discriminations against the Uyghurs was one of the main root causes of the tragic